Are you in the garment industry and struggling of delays and high costs due to inadequate facilities? Introducing our pre-engineered buildings, designed specifically for the garment industry. These innovative structures offer a fast, cost-effective solution to your space challenges. With customizable designs, you can create the perfect environment for your production needs, ensuring optimal workflow and efficiency. Our pre-engineered buildings are not only quick to assemble but also built to last, providing you with a durable solution that can adapt as your business grows. Say goodbye to the headaches of traditional construction and hello to a streamlined process that saves you time and money. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.